Hey, welcome aboard. This is Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, and I just wanted to show you our 2018 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. Starting in the transom, this boat's equipped with a white Mercury Verado 350 horse motor. And this does have the fishing package, which gives you the rod holds in the transom, tow grab rail on the port and starboard. We got a nice freshwater shower here right when they walk in on the starboard side entryway. Nice large flip down seat with the backrest that comes up nice and high on your back. Very comfortable when you're traveling long ways in the water. There's a stanchion base there for a cockpit table. Coming over here, we have the Corian countertop surface, Yeti cooler, freshwater sink. Nice helm, Mercury vessel view 4-inch display, fusion radio. Plenty of real estate there to put the latest and greatest electronics, fish finder, GPS of your choice. We got this really interesting seat here that I love because it's got multiple design positions. Right now we have it seated so you can sit backwards, enjoy your company, have the table put in there, or we can put this down, and now we can have lounge backwards, put the seat up, and then we can lounge forward. Plenty of storage under the seats, right in there for your life jackets. Again, on the port side, we have our pump out marine head with a freshwater hand basin. And coming forward, we got another base that you can put the table in as well. Nice oversized seats. This one also has a freshwater washdown in the front and an anchor windlass, which is really nice. If you're going to single hand the boat yourself, you don't have to worry about coming up and pulling the anchor up and down. Again, this is a 2018 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage, a beautiful glacier green hull, hard top, 350 horse. This boat's loaded, ready to get on the water. Thank you again for taking this tour of this 2018 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage with me. You can give me a call, 941-350-4945, and I look forward to hearing from you.